What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video I'm going to show you the best way I know to boost your sales in eBay dropshipping in 2025. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Who am I? My name is Mark Augustine. If you're new to my channel, I've been actually dropshipping on eBay since 2011, so a very long time. I've seen the ups and downs. I've sold over $20 million. And over the past few weeks, we have been talking about the fact that in this eBay dropshipping space, especially if you, whether you use Ecom Sniper or not, you have two options. You could be lazy, like I have been a lot of the time, and just list a ton of items and make $1,000 or $2,000 a month. And I'm going to show you that in a second. Or you could put in the time and do some product research and do some actual product substitution, which is a strategy in product research. And I showed you guys where I put in about an hour or two and I made $200 in a day. And I'll show you guys the actual screenshot of that. And then I'll actually do maybe some product substitution so you guys can see how it's done. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to show you guys all of this because this is an account that I've done here on YouTube from scratch. I have not done any work off of YouTube on this account. You guys know how I've listed these things. So these are, let's see, 9,000 listings that I just did, bulk listing, maybe like 15, 20 minutes a day. Nothing too exciting. The account generally with $5,500 in sales, you're looking at about $1,200 profit, right? But, and we've said this all the time, you have the option to do that, run sales, make $1,000, make $2,000. But this little spike here was when I did product substitution. So those of you guys who are not new to the channel, who may have missed it, I did a video previously showing product substitution and how I make $200 in a day. I'll put a link to that. And that's a result of the work. So if you guys put in, I run multiple accounts, right? So I can't put in 2 hours a day per account, but I'm going to show you guys what's happening, right? So if I just go to Ecom Sniper, I go to competitor research. So I have 700 sellers in here, right? I think I ran all of them. So I show items. So out of those 700 sellers, I have 67,000 listings that sold at least once. This aluminum thing is one of them. So I don't like cheap items. So let's just say I want to put in a little time. So I want to find items that sold over 1,000. I did this before off camera. A minimum of $1,000, right? Because I want to put in as little work as possible to make the most amount of money possible. Now, if you're doing this, you need to have a seasoned account and you need to have the money to pay for a $600 item when it sells. So I don't suggest this for the very beginner. But if you guys want to take your account from $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month to $5,000 to $6,000, $7,000 a month, this is what we're talking about. So I already did this item. So I already product substituted this item. So I could kind of cheat on that to show you guys what I did. So this item, it sells for $14.49. The break even is $11.72. So I want to find an item. I want to find a tent that's 20 by 20 that is below $11.42. But I actually found it and I don't want to go. Let me actually do an item because I did these before. So let's say I want items between $200 and $300. I'm not going to go all the way high. So I hit apply. So Ecom Sniper is going to give me some items out of all those 700 sellers that I had. So there are 60 items that sold 4 times between the price $200 to $300. So there's a 10 by 20 pop-up canopy. It's not branded, so maybe I could find something. And I'm doing this live for you guys. So I want something below 185. 10 by 20 below 185. This is a heavy duty something. It's 10 by 20. It has its sides. This is a totally different item, but it's a waterproof gazebo, so I could take that title. So I would copy that here. This item sold 4 times in the past 30 days at $229. So if I import over here, so this item is a lot cheaper. So I could beat the price even if I wanted to go like a darker color, more like what that was, but that's still a little expensive. I would go cheap. So this one is 116. I could take that title and beat the price and go all the way to 197.97. Hit snipe list. And that is what I'm doing. It took me, what, 2 or 3 minutes to do it in front of you guys. So I would do this for about an hour or two a day. And you would actually make $200 or $300 a day if you systematically do that. Like I've showed you guys I just listed that item. I mean, I'll do this later on tonight for another hour and really push the account. But we've seen it with Euron. My goal with these videos is to show you guys with evidence what you have to do right now to make money online. I think I've accomplished that. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section. In the description, I have a link to my calendar so I can help you with your eBay dropshipping business. You can schedule a call with me, guys. Have a good one, guys. Peace.